Welcome to my library. Jennifer Maker here, and it's so great to have you. I've got tons of files and projects in here, and it might seem a little overwhelming at first. I mean, where do you even start? Chances are you came here because you saw a specific project and that you want to make that one, so you need the files for it. To find a specific project, you can either click on one of the category buttons below and read through the list of projects, or you can search the entire library. To search, just press Control F on Windows or Command F on a Mac. Type in the word that you want to search on and press the Enter key on your keyboard. The first occurrence of the word will highlight on your screen. Click the little down arrow to move to the next one, and then keep doing this until you find what you want. To search on your iPad or iPhone, tap the search bar at the top of the library, type the word you'd like to search on, tap the word under On This Page, and the first occurrence of the word will be highlighted. Tap the little down arrow to move to the next one. Keep doing this until you find the one you want. Another way to find files in my library is just to browse. In fact, it's one of the best ways because you might discover things that you never even thought of trying. It's a lot of fun. Give it a try. So to download an actual file itself from my library, you just click on the underlined hyperlink at the start of each project line. The tutorial is always linked in parentheses immediately afterwards, so you know exactly how to use the file. And note that if you came to this library from Facebook and you try to download a file, you may just see gibberish. If this happens, get out of Facebook, go to your web browser, go to my library directly at jennifermaker.com/library and download it from there. Now, if you're not sure what to do after the file downloads, don't worry, I've got you covered. I've created a whole step-by-step video tutorial called SVGs Made Simple that explains how to find, download, unzip, upload, and customize SVG cut files on a computer, laptop, iPad, or iPhone. Check it out at jennifermaker.com/SVGs. I add new files to this library all the time, and I announce them in my weekly newsletter. So be sure to read my newsletter every weekend and come back often. I cannot wait to see your projects, and I hope that you share them with us over in our Facebook group at jennifermaker.com/cricketcrafters. Have a wonderful day.